I spent $400 on an AI-created business to see if we could make it successful or not, starting with improving the product and hiring freelancers to create custom videos, and finally, testing everything by launching paid ads. But not only that, I will also reveal a new side hustle to make extra income with ChatGPT and Midjourney. So before we dive into the video, let me give you a quick recap of how everything started. In the first episode of this series, we used AI to create a digital product from scratch, and we managed to make this planner. And in the second episode, we turned the product into a business and launched paid ads to see if we could attract potential customers. However, we didn't make any profit that day, and many of you have asked to test the product again because the ad results showed some promise. And that's exactly what I will do today, but with huge changes to the product and the ad material. So stay tuned and watch it till the end. If you remember, we started with only 3 templates, but I wanted to improve the product to make it look like something couldn't be missed. But I think I was a little excited when I made the changes, because now we have a total of 20 templates instead of 3. What the? So, as you can see, a few more templates have been added to the bundle. But because I like to spice things up, I went to ChatGPT and asked for motivational quotes. Then I created these designs that could be printed and hung on a wall or something. My plan is to give these templates as a gift or as an added bonus. This marketing trick can be applied to any product to increase conversion rates because it gives customers the impression that this offer is a no-brainer. So this is how the product image looked before, and this is how it looks now. In terms of the landing page, not much has changed. Everything is pretty much the same. I've just reduced the price, added a countdown timer, and added the new templates we've created. If you're wondering why I reduced the price, it's because the last time we had lots of people add the product to the cart without purchasing it. So I want to see if lowering the price will get us better results. And don't forget that we are selling digital products, which means we don't have any product costs. Therefore, it's easier to profit even when selling at a low price. But of course, you need a good marketing strategy to start getting cheap results. So that was all regarding the product and landing page changes. Now it's time to talk about the new marketing strategy. As you may have seen in the previous video, we launched a Facebook campaign with 2 images created on Canva. Although images work well with these products, I believe that adding a video could be effective as it shows the product in use and offers the customer a better understanding of the product. And there's no better way to do so than with UGC ads, or user-generated content. I chose UGC ads because they are highly engaging and authentic, showcasing real customers and their experiences with the product. This will help to build trust and credibility with potential customers, as they are more likely to believe the opinions and experiences of real people than traditional advertising messages. So I went to Fiverr looking for freelancers who could do this job, and there were many different gigs with a wide range of prices and styles. I picked the gigs that caught my eye and started contacting them one by one. And after many messages and conversations, I decided to use this service, and we agreed on $105 for a 40-second video. But the freelancer requested the important talking points about the planner in order to write the video script. And honestly, I didn't have a clear vision of what I wanted, so I asked the chatbot to write them, and then copied the answer and sent it to the freelancer, who said, "This is wonderful." So I'd like to say thank you to ChatGPT for helping me with this. Finally, I submitted the required info, and after 3 days of waiting, here's how the video turned out.
My secret to being more productive and focused is my printable planner from .com. This stunning planner has a habit tracker, a daily planner, and a gratitude journal. Since using this planner, I've improved my productivity and it's drastically increased my motivation to achieve my goals. I love it for staying organized, setting goals for my personal or professional growth, and for setting my monthly budgets. Plus, it comes with an ebook called 4 Weeks to a Better You, which provides tips and guidance for making positive changes in your life. This bundle is affordable, convenient, and it will yield incredible results. You need to get this printable planner for a daily dose of inspiration and encouragement. Click the link below.
As you've seen, the video came out nice, and I think it has the potential to catch people's attention. And now, it's time to launch the Facebook ads. For the ad creatives, I will use the UGC video and the image that did the best in the last campaign. And for the ad sets, I used the ones that performed well last time and added some interests using Facebook's suggestions feature. So I ended up creating 12 ad sets targeting the top 5 countries, just like the last time. After that, I launched the ads at midnight with the hopes of waking up the next morning on some sales. And that did actually happen. When I woke up the following day, I saw that someone bought the planner 3 hours after the ads went up, which was definitely a good start to the day. But it didn't stop there, because I also made another sale in the middle of the day. So the ads were performing well, and we ended up on day 1 with 8 added to cart, 9 reached checkout, and 2 purchases. I decided to keep the ads running for a couple more days. And while we wait, let me show you how to earn extra income by selling digital stickers. To start this side hustle, you need ChatGPT and Midjourney. The way it works is we'll use ChatGPT to generate sticker ideas, and then use Midjourney to create the sticker design. And the final product will be listed on Etsy, which is the best place to start if you're on a low budget. Let's make an example together so you can better understand the concept. If you go to Etsy and search for PNG stickers, you'll notice that many listings are selling this type of product, and the majority have lots of reviews, which is a good sign that the product is selling well. So your goal on Etsy is to do some research and find a niche to start with. If you don't know how to find good selling products on Etsy, you can watch this video on my channel that explains everything in detail. In my case, I'll choose the animal niche as an example for this video. After you've picked your niche, you can head off to ChatGPT to generate some ideas. For me, it'll be cute animal stickers in cartoon style. ChatGPT will start giving you broad ideas. And then you can choose whether you want to generate more ideas or pick one and narrow it down till you come up with something unique. And once you've decided on something, head over to Midjourney to start creating the actual sticker design. But keep in mind that in order to use your design commercially, you must have a paid Midjourney plan. Once you're in, type /, then imagine, and paste the sticker idea you want to make. Repeat the process and come up with more ideas until you have the number of stickers you want. Then you'll need to get rid of the background to sell it as a PNG file. I personally like to use Canva, but you're free to use any other tool you like. Then you can design simple mock-ups showing the sticker in a cool way. And after that, you'll have beautifully designed stickers that can be sold on Etsy or any other platform. You can even take the idea a step further by using sites like Printful or Printify, which will turn your design into an actual sticker and ship it to your customers. And how much money you might make with this side hustle depends on how much time you put into it. So it makes sense that the more stickers you design and upload, the faster you can make sales. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer. Now, let's get back into the video and see how the ads performed. Since we started the challenge, we've spent around $400, and we've been able to sell 6 items with total revenue of about $100. I know that may sound disappointing to many of you, but I wanted to keep everything transparent because this is what you should expect when you first start out. I've tested the same strategy with another product, and it worked perfectly. However, this demonstrates that not every product will be a success. So please don't be afraid to try based on my results, because what didn't work for me might actually work for you. That was the end of this business idea, and it's time to start something new, so stay tuned.